Hi guys, welcome to Camping with Brian. Hope everybody's doing well. This is just a very short video. That's my lixada cooker. No used it for a while. The last time I used it used a lot of fuel. This time it never used a lot of fuel due to the fact that I had here the actual Dakota fire pit. This was covered, okay, with the actual sticks and everything there, and it worked well. Honestly, worked well. My good lady gave me this hook. I bored a little hole in there. This is my walking stick, one of them. Works well. Put this here, which was here anyway from about a year ago or something like that. I actually cut this off of something and put that on there, and this actually worked great. Okay, I just had a cup of tea and everything like that. I actually had this on here, okay, and that was it, guys. I'll show you I actually working and everything like that, and see what you think. The Dakota fire pit into it, if you've got one of these style of cookers and it's using a lot of smoke and fuel and everything like that, it makes a big difference. So guys, did you enjoy that? Hopefully you did. Any ideas like that? Does it work for you? Have you got one of these type of cookers? Is it worthwhile? I think so. Okay, so until the next time, take care. All that effort for a nice cup of tea.